Just a few days into February, we are already seeing the second major iPhone 13 leak of the month. We have already heard that some enormous new storage options are on the way, and now a brand new leak might explain why the camera on this thing could be incredible. A new report suggests that the iPhone 13's ultra-wide camera could feature a much larger aperture than that of the iPhone 12. Whereas the latter carries an f2.4 lens, the new model will push it into 1.8. Smaller number, of course, means equal larger aperture. According to the report from noted Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, which is spotted by Mac Rumors, Chinese lens supplier Sunny Optical is on track to ship the hugely improved lens for the iPhone 13 in the second half of the 2021. While the iPhone 12 already offers a brilliant low light shooting thanks to night mode, software workarounds will never be matched for raw hardware, and a better aperture will mean even a better nighttime shooting since more light can pass through the lens. Kuo also says the iPhone 13 Pro will feature a slightly improved telephoto lens, while the 12 Pro Max feature a 2.5x optical zoom. The Pro is limited to only 2x. This year, the smaller Pro model will allegedly feature the same 2.5x zoom as the Max. It's a smaller upgrade, but the iPhone 12 Pro Max is incredible telephoto lens is what bagged it to a top spot on our best camera phones we have discussed in earlier videos. On the other hand, low light shooting in one area where smartphones have lagged behind traditional cameras, but for some users the gap is certainly closing. Improved aperture can only be a good thing for photographers on the go. As with all leaks, time will tell how accurate this latest proves to be, but it's more tantalizing intel to add to ever-growing pile of iPhone 13 rumor, from remarkable battery life to brand new screen tech. Apple's next smartphone is sounding more impressive by the day. Of course, the dust has barely settled on the iPhone 12, which not only features incredible camera tech of its own, but has the added benefit of existing right now. If you think the iPhone 13 is going to be similar to the iPhone 12, and if you think no, it's going to be better than this, please make sure to leave a comment below, and we'll see how everyone likes about it, and we will see you in the video. Keep visiting Ty's Schooling.